If you want to send a text message by using your Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, the first thing that you need to do is open the list of apps, and then you should be able to find the Google Messages app. If you actually have Samsung Galaxy smartphone, there is a chance that you will also have the Messages app from Samsung, as long as you have it, of course. So you can choose any of these. So for example, I'm gonna use this one, and you should be able to find your messages. You can read them without any issues. And if you want to, you can scroll down to find some quick answers, as you can see over here. You can also find some additional options at the bottom, but essentially if you want to write your own answer, you can tap on this keyboard, and then you can write whatever you wish to answer and send the message. Of course, you can create a new conversation, you can send a new message, you can start a new chat by using this start chat button over here. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.